Welcome our new viewers, and to our returning viewers, welcome back. Let's make some delicious Jamaican style fruit cake. Let's make some Jamaican fruit cake. So that's what I'm about to make. So I have the fruits already. I have some wine. I have some fruit wine. I also have rare navy rum, white overproof rum. I got browning today. I had some browning, but it wasn't enough, so I got more. And I also pick up an all-purpose flour, and I got myself a new baking tin. Yes, I already have the fruits, so I'm gonna just blend up that, and let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as I said before, we have the eggs already, we have salt, we have browning, this is mixed spice, we have vanilla, rose water, and almond essence. I bought a new pudding pan. I'm gonna try that out. I have here some all-purpose flour, and this here is the big boy right here, and I have some rare navy white overproof rum. I have the rum there from last year, so I never need to buy none. Only thing we did buy is the browning and the all-purpose flour, because I never have any of that. This also, guys, as my bust this, the scent just right underneath my nose. So this right here, a cure from last year, December. It's almost 1 year old, right? So this, it gonna have a nice strength to it, you understand, compared to if you have it for like a month or a couple days. So let's get right into the video. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Comment below, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So we are gonna whip up the butter, and then we add the egg with sugar, and I don't understand it, so we show you all the way I go on. So because the fruits are sweet, I'm not going to add a lot of sugar. I'm just going to blend the sugar and the butter together. So I'll put the butter and the sugar aside, and I'm going to prepare the dry ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, I'm going to use some all-purpose flour, some mixed spice, can't forget the baking powder, the salt. So the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, some salt, and mixed spice. So the mixed spice, it have cinnamon powder, it have nutmeg, and yeah, orange peel, and so on. So these are what we're going to use for the dry ingredients. So we just have to combine all of this together. So I'm going to combine everything in this pan. I'm going to add some flour, so I'm going to measure out 2.5 cups of flour. To add some baking powder, some salt, and some mixed spice. So for the liquids, I'm going to add the eggs, vanilla, rose water, and almond essence. And if you have lime juice, you could go ahead and use the lime juice, and also the lime zest. So you want to ensure that you crack each eggs in separate container to ensure that the egg is not spoiled, and also to prevent eggshells from entering the batch. Next, I'm going to add some vanilla. I'm going to add the rose water and the almond essence. I don't like to add a lot of rose water, just a little bit, about well, for me personally, I like to add about anywhere from half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, so between a half and 1. I don't like to add a lot of rose water, but I like to add a lot of spice and vanilla to my cake. So this is where you would add the lime juice and the lemon or lime zest. So guys, the bakings are going good so far. This is how it is looking so far. Just I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more, because I like it to be smooth. I don't like to bite on the raisins. Not a lot, because you don't want it too watery. So we have our blended fruits ready. So blended fruits ready. We have the dry ingredient, we have the liquid ready, and we also have the butter. So it's now time to combine all of this together in one. Alright guys, so we have the butter right here, we have the dry ingredient right here, which is the flour with all of the spices, baking powder, and all of that. And we also have the liquid right here, and then as you can see, we just deal with the blended fruit. So we just have to combine everything in this bowl right here. All right guys, so this is the order that I'm going to go by. So I have here the butter and the sugar. So next I'm going to add the egg to it. So this is how the sugar, egg and the butter when combined is looking. It is all fluffy. You could whip a little bit more, but once it gets into the oven, thing is going to melt. So we're just going to continue to add the mixed fruits, the mixed blended fruits and the flour little by little and combine everything. This is how it is looking. Very fluffy. So that is it guys, very fluffy. Add the flour. Guys, this cut and fold ain't no baby work. So I'm going to add the browning. Now with the browning, I don't add a lot. I like my cake to be dark, but not too dark, not charcoal dark. Right, just a little bit. You don't have to add a lot, because once the sugar is burned, it will also darken the cake. So be mindful of the amount of browning that you add. I'm going to make a liner using parchment paper for the baking tin. If you have a better technique guys, you can utilize that one. Voila! There you have it. Paper towel, a clean paper towel. I'm just going to grease the bottom of the pan. And guys, yes, I know the paper towel is going to absorb all the butter. And the bottom, very thick cake, very heavy. I have this sleeve back. What I'm going to use it with some muffin. I don't know how much I'm going to get from it. So some muffin liners or cupcake liners. Alright guys, so we'll pop them in the oven already. So we have some butter left over, so we use that to make some cupcake. So pop it in the oven. We're going to leave it to bake for 1.5 hours. After the first hour, I'm going to check it, but you don't want to open the oven until the cake starts to rise. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, guys, and comment down below. Let's see you in the comment section. Alright guys, don't soak yet. So once the knife comes out clean, that means the cake is well soaked. So immediately as you remove it from the oven, you want to wet the cake. So I'm just distributing the wine and the rum evenly over the cake, and I'm going to leave it overnight. This is how it is looking in the morning. So this is how it is looking in the morning. So my spouse went ahead and had more wine and rum to the cake, so it wasn't soaked enough, but I wanted to try it, so I just dive in. As you can see, I was ready for work, but me did insist to try a piece of my cake, right? So I was just trying it out, guys, and it was delicious. So me have to share a piece for my friends and my colleagues them, so them can get a cut of the cake and try out the Jamaican fruit cake from Cooking with Tbsp. And guys, if you are watching this video and you are one of those people that receive a slice of the cake, just comment below and that the cake was chef kiss on point. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Look at that juicy slice.